Hey guys, Ahmed here, A to Z Auto Masters. We got a 2009 Wrangler. We did an oil change on it, so we're just gonna show quick how to reset the maintenance light or the oil light. It's a 2009 Wrangler with a 3.8.
Okay guys, we're inside the car now. When you start it, right there, change oil. Okay, so to reset, we'll start with the car off, key out. You're gonna put the key in the ignition and you have to turn the ignition on. Do not start the car. Ignition on, and within 5 seconds you have to press the gas pedal all the way down 3 times. So 3 times within 5 seconds. So you turn the ignition on, and here, 1, 2, 3. And that's it. So you turn the ignition on. Within the first 5 seconds, you step on the gas all the way down with the ignition on. Gas all the way down 3 times within 5 seconds. That's all. Thank you for watching.